Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to create split screen in iMovie using your iPhone. iMovie offers a straight way to create split screen effect. So here's how you can get started. First of all, open the iMovie application on your iOS device. Now, go ahead and start a new project. Click on the movie option at the bottom of the screen and select the video clip you want to edit. After selecting the video clip, click on Create Movie at the bottom. You will then be able to see the video in the preview screen. Now, tap on the plus button at the top left and add a new clip. Go to Video inside the option and select another video clip you want to add and combine into a split screen. Now that you select a video clip from your camera roll, click on the three dots right underneath. Now select Split Screen. You will then be able to see two different video clips onto your timeline. Tap on the newly added clip and drag the edges of your both video clips and make sure that it aligns with the other one. After you do that, you can then preview your video and you will be able to see two different split clips onto your preview. You can also go ahead and select the layer and add a line between the clips by tapping on the line button at the top right. You can also use other tools, and once you are done with it, you can then simply go ahead and play your video. So that is how you can easily split screen on iMovie. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.